Hi everyone, welcome to my Chappus Chops channel. We are going to learn how to make Khoya today. This is basically condensed milk or condensed milk solids. It originated in India and is used in Bangladesh, Pakistan and Nepal as well. We use this in many different Indian desserts. It is one of the main ingredients. You can make your own khoya at home. So let's get started. Alright, let's start cooking our mawa. We'll need a pot with a thick bottom. I'm using the ceramic bottom that I have over here. Turn up your stove to medium heat. I always add little bit of water so that the milk doesn't burn. Today we are going to use 2 cups of whole milk, which is half a liter. Add this to the water in your pot and bring it to a boil on a medium heat. Once it comes to a boil, bring the stove down to a medium-low. Now this next part is the most important when making mawa. You absolutely have to keep mixing this mixture. Do not stop mixing this, otherwise your mawa will come out very inconsistent. As you can see, the cream is beginning to form on our top. I'm going to keep stirring it and mixing it as should you. Let's keep mixing it for about another 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes have passed. I am going to continue mixing this. Let us scrape the sides as well. Every bit is important and needs to be mixed into the mawa. Now let us add some cream. I made some cream from milk and now I am going to add this to the milk. We are doing this because making a mawa required fat. So adding the cream will add fat to the mawa. Making mawa at home is very simple. This is a very easy recipe, but please don't take your eyes off it and keep stirring the milk. Scrape everything off the side and mix it into the mixer you are working on. We continue to mix and boil this mixture of milk and cream because we want to make this as thick as possible. So continue mixing this. So scrape everything off the sides and mix it into the mixture. So here is a tip while we are waiting for this to continue boiling. At this point, you can add half teaspoon of baking powder to act as a preservative. I am not adding it because I am going to use this in the next couple of days. But if you are planning on storing it for a while, go ahead and add it. It will stay in your fridge without spoiling for a long time. Okay, a few minutes have passed and now you can see our mixture has become really thick and is almost at where we need it to be. I am adding some ghee so that it doesn't stick to the sides and the bottom. Grab a knife and scrape everything off the side so none of your hard work is wasted. Keep an eye on the stove as you don't want it to dry out too quickly. Now, another minute later, this is the final product we were looking for. This is the consistency you want. It's almost like a ball of pizza dough. As you can see, it's very soft. I'm going to weigh this once it's cooled down to show you how much mawa we made from half a liter of milk. Let's put the mawa on the weighing scale. I accidentally left this
on ounces, but when I measured it afterwards, we had about 145 grams of Mawa, which is a pretty good yield for just half a liter of Khoya. Mawa, you can see this Mawa is really very crumbly, and we need the Mawa like this only. Okay, this is a perfect Mawa, you can say.
So, there is a simple way to make your own khoya. I hope you like this, and I hope we can make different desserts at home using our own khoya. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in our next video.